ClubExpress, setting up your website, and completing the setup checklist. In this video, we'll help you sign up for a free trial with ClubExpress, show you how to set up and launch your new website, and how to find help if you get stuck. Let's take a quick look at the steps in the process before we dive in. If you're interested in learning more and want to try out the platform in a free trial, first, you'll sign up with a few basic pieces of information. Then we'll take you to your new site in setup mode, where you'll finish setting up your website. Once you complete the setup checklist, it's time to email us and move your site into trial mode. Your free trial lasts 60 days, so you build out your website and evaluate our tools at the same time. When your free trial ends, you'll pay the setup fee to keep your website going and start paying the monthly hosting fee. When you're finally ready to go live, point your domain to your new website, upload and activate your membership database, and send your members a welcome email with their new login information. If you already know ClubExpress is the platform for you and are purchasing one of our packages, you'll sign up for a trial site the same way and complete a few items from the same setup checklist. Then you'll enter your banking details so we can start to build your website. The first step to creating your new website with ClubExpress is to set up an account. Go to clubexpress.com and click Sign Up for a free trial. We'll collect a few pieces of information from you, then take you to your new website. Enter your organization's name, then choose your short name. Your short name is used to access your website until you choose a domain name, and is usually an abbreviation of your club name or your club initials. You can change your short name later if you choose. Fill in the rest of the fields, then click Create My Website. If your organization is exploring ClubExpress with a free trial, you'll complete the entire setup checklist. If your organization has already decided ClubExpress is the solution for you, you'll complete the first 3 items on the checklist, then enter your banking details to purchase a package and activate your website. Let's get started. You'll be redirected to your new website. At this stage, if you've already decided ClubExpress is the solution for you and you need to enter your banking details to purchase a package, navigate to the control panel at the top of your screen. In the control panel, click the Money tab. Then in the Setup section, click Bank Accounts. On the Bank Accounts screen, click Add Bank Account, then enter the appropriate details and click Save when you're finished. If you're completing the setup checklist on your own, let's get started. Right now, your website is in setup mode and only accessible to you, your website's first administrator. You'll use this time to configure the basics on your website. You can complete the entire checklist in just a few hours, but if you get stuck, we're here to help. Click the Help icon on any page for context-sensitive help in our online help system. You might also see a pop-up with helpful tutorials and webinars from our YouTube channel. And while you build your website in setup and trial mode, watch your inbox for helpful emails from our team to guide you through the process. Your website is only accessible to you, so if you want to add a few other team members to help you, you'll need to add them as a member, then make them an administrator. Click the Control Panel link at the top of your screen. The Control Panel is the back end of your website, and access is limited to administrators and coordinators. You can learn more about the Control Panel by clicking the Help icon. But for now, let's quickly add a new administrator. Navigate to the People tab, and in the Admin Functions section, click People Manager to add a new member to your database. On the People Manager screen, click Add Member. Right now, you only have one standard member type, so we'll click Next. Enter the admin's basic contact information, including their email address. Your member type won't have a fee associated with it yet, so you'll confirm the details and add the new member. Once you save your changes, the new member will get an email with their username and temporary password. Next, you'll make the member an administrator. Click the Control Panel link and navigate to the Club tab. In the Setup section, click Administrators Coordinators. At the top of the screen, you'll see your own name in the Administrators panel. Click Add Administrator to bring up the Member Selector tool. You can click Search to bring up the members in your database. Choose the member, then click Save. When the new administrator signs in with their username and temporary password, they'll be prompted to choose a new permanent password. They'll also have access to the back end of your website and will see the same setup checklist. Let's look at the checklist. Keep in mind, you can complete these steps in any order you'd like. Your club info includes your name and short name you entered at sign up. This is also where you'll add all your club address information. Fill in the required fields. Be sure to enter the correct address in each section. For example, if your club or association has separate addresses for members mailing in a payment. In the future, you can make changes by navigating to the Control Panel, Club tab, Name and Description. You must accept the terms of the ClubExpress subscription agreement in order to use the platform for your club or association. You can review the terms here. We know privacy is important to everyone, so ClubExpress helps you comply with the strictest privacy regulations, such as the GDPR and the CCPA in California. Specify a few privacy options for your members. First, if you share or sell your member data, you can include a notification allowing members to opt out. Then, determine how you'll handle requests to remove a member from your database. As the first administrator, you're designated as your organization's data protection officer. If a member requests to be removed from your database in the future, you'll receive a notification. You can change these settings at any time, including your data protection officer, by navigating to the Control Panel, People tab, Privacy Options. Next, create your member types. We've added one standard member type to get you started. You can edit the details of this member type by clicking the Edit or pencil icon. Click the Add Member Type button to add a new member type. Note that once you have a member associated with the member type, you won't be able to delete it, but you'll still be able to make changes. Remember, look for the Help icon for context-sensitive help, videos, and how-to guides. If you need to add new member types or make changes in the future, navigate to the Control Panel, People tab, Member Types. Once you've added your member types, determine how the system will handle renewals and expirations. Start with your renewal schedule and whether members renew on a rolling basis or if all members renew on the same date. Then, set up your renewal notice schedule. Finally, decide what happens when a membership lapses. To change your renewal settings in the future, navigate to the Control Panel, People tab, Renewal Expiration Settings. Determine the information you'll collect from your members and a few other options in People Options. First, you'll choose the information you'll collect from primary or solo members, like their birthday or work address. Then, if your club or association has memberships which include multiple people, like a family or business membership, you'll decide what you want to collect from the additional members in the membership. Last, you'll make a few global selections, like whether or not to notify your membership director when someone joins or renews, or whether to require an email address or mobile number for members. Next, you'll choose your website's look and feel using our template builder. Choose a layout, menu style, fonts, colors, and more. Your template controls how your entire website will look, so remember to check out our YouTube channel for tutorials when you're ready to design it. We start you off with a basic design which you can keep while you build out the rest of your site, so you don't need to complete this now. To edit your look and feel in the future, navigate to the Control Panel, Website tab, Website Look and Feel. Choose the modules you want to use on your website. The available modules you see are all built in and include the event calendar, donations, surveys, and member directory. You don't need to choose everything you'll want to use now. In the future, you can add and remove modules from the Control Panel at any time. Note that some of the built-in ClubExpress features, like blast emailing, aren't available until you start your free trial. When you're ready, check out our YouTube channel to learn more about each module you can enable on your website. Once you've chosen a few modules, you can configure your main website menu, or how your users will navigate your site. Your website can have a public menu everyone sees and a member-only menu members will see once they log into your website. As you build out your website, your menu will likely grow and change as you add features and pages. So let's just add a few items to start. In the future, you can add and remove items from your menu by going to the Control Panel, Website tab, Menus. Finally, start designing your homepage using our Page Builder tools. You can keep the pre-built template while you build out the rest of your website, or design your homepage now. To edit your homepage later, navigate to the Control Panel, Website tab, Homepage. Once you've completed the setup checklist, give us a call and we'll move your website into trial mode. Now that you've started your free trial, what's next? You have 60 days to explore the platform and determine if we're right for your organization. We have a lot to offer, so here are a few things to keep in mind to help you make the most of your trial. You won't see the setup checklist again once you've moved into trial mode, but you can still edit each of the options using the control panel. During your trial, you're limited to 8 member accounts and 8 non-member accounts. We recommend adding at least 1 test member without administrative access to see how certain features of your website may appear or behave differently for a regular member. Check out our calendar at clubexpress.com for free webinars to learn about the features on your site, or view past webinars and tutorials on our YouTube channel. And remember to look for the help icon if you feel stuck. When your free trial ends and you decide ClubExpress is the solution for you, you'll provide us with your banking details and we'll charge you the one-time setup fee to keep your website active. We'll use this to charge you the one-time setup fee, the monthly hosting fee, and any fees for additional programming or extra cost modules you might want to purchase. For organizations inside the United States, you'll add your organization's bank account details. If your organization is outside the United States, you'll provide us with a credit card. Let's add banking info to our new website. Navigate to the Control Panel, Money tab. In the Setup section, select Bank Accounts. For organizations outside the U.S., you'll see the option Billing Credit Card instead. Click the option you see and enter in the required details. In the future, you can return to this screen to make changes to your primary payment method. Once you pay the setup fee, your website is active but hasn't been launched. If necessary, you can continue working on your website before launching it to your members. When you're finally ready to launch, we'll still need to switch over your internet domain, upload your membership database, and activate your members. Check out our video, Launching Your Website, for details. So now you've learned how to set up a new website with ClubExpress and complete the setup checklist. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.